Hey gang, and Jesse here at AC Auto Repair, and honestly we're just having a blast today. Wanted to have a conversation with you, and as you listen to my voice and you see me here and you begin to ask questions to yourself, one of the questions that I'm asking is what does convenience mean to you? If your life is anything like my life, then you're a very, very busy person. I find myself got 2, 3, 4, too many things going at the same time, and then when one thing falls apart or doesn't go according to plan, it really can cause things to go differently than what they should have went, right? So picture this. Imagine that you're driving down the road and everything's going hunky-dory on your car, and all of a sudden it just stops running. For instance, I'll give you a little story. A couple days ago, we have a lady with her 80-something-year-old mother, and they're driving down the interstate at 70 miles an hour, and all of a sudden the car just dies while they're going down the road. And so they drift off over to the shoulder, and my towing company went and picked them up. And that was totally unexpected, right? They was on their way to Elk City, on their way to run their business, live their life, do their things, and that's what was supposed to happen. And all of a sudden, their little chariot, their little car, their source of transportation, the integral part to make all that happen, it failed to deliver, right? It just died going down the road. And what had happened is then they find themselves making a different plan. They did not plan to ride in a tow truck that day. They didn't plan on needing to ride home that day, and it was really, really, really inconvenient. So what does convenience look like to you, right? So say things don't go as planned, or maybe it's just your vehicle needs maintenance, right? So we do everything in our power to take the pain of auto repair out of your life, right? Let's face it. Nobody wants to have their car worked on, right? It's expensive, or it's perceived to be expensive. There's so many different things that come up that are just not convenient. So we try to make it as convenient as possible. We offer financing options. We offer loaner cars. We pick up people. We pick up cars. We just do whatever we have to do to make it as painless as possible so that your life can resume or continue as normal as possible, right? So what does convenience mean to you? Let me know in the comments. Type it in. Is it time? Is that what's convenient? Is it affordable payment options? Is that one thing? Is it something else? Is it like knowing that I can get to my kids' school on time, or cheerleader practice, or basketball practice, or whatever? Let me know. Be curious to hear what you say, and I look forward to reading the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.